All these children had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on their farm they had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a chick chick here and a chick chick there, here a chick, there a chick, everywhere a chick chick. All these children had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on their farm they had some sheeps, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba here and a ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere ba. All these children had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on their farm they had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack quack. All these children had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On their farm they had some horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a nee here and a nee there, here a knee, there a knee, everywhere nee. All these children had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some goats, E-I-E-I-O. With a may here and a may there, here a may, there a may, everywhere may. All these children had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on their farm they had some buffaloes, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo here and a moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere moo. Old MacDonald's had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. The buffalo is eating grass. The goat is eating leaves. The dog eats flesh of other animals and vegetables. The tiger eats flesh of other animals. The lion also eats flesh of other animals. Elephant eats leaves, vegetables. Zebra eats plants, leaves, twigs. Deer also eats plants, leaves and twigs. Giraffe also eats plants, leaves and twigs. Leopard and cheetah, they eat flesh of other animals. This woodpecker eats fish, insects, vegetables and fruits. Horse and goat eat plants, leaves, twigs, fruits and vegetables. Bear eats plants, fruits, vegetables and insects. All these animals are divided into three groups. They are herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Herbivorous are the animals which live on eating leaves, twigs, fruits, vegetables and plants. Carnivorous are the animals eat flesh of other animals. Omnivorous are the animals they eat both plants and animals. Let us see the herbivorous animals. Pigs, sheep, cow, horse, giraffe, elephant, hippo, zebra, panda. All these are herbivorous animals which survive on leaves, twigs, fruits, vegetables and plants. Now these carnivorous animals are lion, tiger, leopard, wolf, cheetah, snakes, spiders, ladybugs. All these animals eat flesh of other animals. Omnivorous animals are ducks, crows, gorillas, orangutans, bears, chimpanzees. They eat both plants and animals. So they are called omnivorous. So the animals are divided into herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. We human beings come under omnivorous. We eat both plants and animals. The flow of energy. Plants help to transfer energy from the sun to animals and human beings. Plants take energy from the sun. Plants receive energy from the sun. The energy which is received from the sun is transferred to animals and human beings. Now this animal is herbivorous animal. This animal eats only plants. So it is called herbivorous animal. This giraffe is herbivorous animal and this is eaten by the carnivorous animal, that is tiger, lion, cheetah, leopard. All these carnivorous animals eat herbivorous animals. So these animals, carnivorous animals, are receiving energy by eating herbivorous animals. But herbivorous animals are receiving energy from the plant. So these carnivorous animals indirectly depended on the plants for the energy. Now look at the man. The man he comes under omnivorous because he eats plants as well as animals. So by eating plants he is receiving energy and by eating animals he is receiving energy. This is how plants help to transfer energy from the sun to the animals and human beings. Now let us see the dependency of plants, animals and human beings on each other. Plants, animals and human beings show dependency on each other. Plants give us food, shelter and oxygen. Plants give food, shelter and oxygen to animals and human beings. In turn, we human beings give out carbon dioxide. In turn, we human beings and animals give out carbon dioxide, which is used by plants to carry out photosynthesis. This way, plants help to purify air. We human beings and animals breathing out carbon dioxide. When the carbon dioxide becomes excess in the atmosphere, more in the atmosphere, that air becomes impure air. Impure air that carries excess of carbon dioxide is not good for us and animals. When there is excess carbon dioxide, the air becomes impure. This excess carbon dioxide leads to confusion and clumsiness. Clumsiness means laziness, emotional disturbances. sometimes very happy, sometimes very sad, because we cannot breathe in oxygen properly. Because of that, it happens. We also fall in depression, and rapid heart rate takes place, means very fast, and irregular heartbeat will be there. This carbon dioxide is used in soft drinks. So many soft drinks we drink, right? So when we drink that, we are taking in more carbon dioxide. And even for freezing of food products such as poultry, meats, vegetables, fruits, they are kept in the freezer for a longer time. Because of that, more carbon dioxide we are taking in. To avoid excess carbon dioxide, we need to plant more plants. So, from plants, we get oxygen. Because of this oxygen, the air becomes pure. The oxygen purifies the air, removes impurity from the air. Plants, 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 grow more plants. Plants, 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 grow more plants and make the air pure. Make the air pure. Plants, animals and human beings show dependency on each other. Plants give food like vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses. Plants also give us coffee, tea, sugar, oil, spices, many more products we get from plants. Plants give food and shelter. Birds, insects and many other animals live in trees and other plants. People use wood from trees to build homes. So, plants give food, shelter and oxygen to us and animals. In turn, we, means human beings and animals, give out carbon dioxide, which is used by the plant to carry out photosynthesis. This way, plants help to purify air. We also help in spreading seeds of plants and therefore help in increasing their number. We need each other's help. Ringa ringa roses, pocket full of roses, husha, busha, we all fall down. Therefore, plants, animals and human beings are interdependent. Children, read this page number 9 to understand the concept thoroughly. Let us meet in the next session.